Welcome to this tutorial on SQL constraints. We'll explore how constraints such as primary key, foreign key, not null, unique, check, and default help maintain data integrity in a database. Let's get started. Step 1. Create the departments table. First, we need a table for storing department information. This table will include a primary key on department ID, a not null constraints on department name. Step 2. Create the employees table with constraints. Next, we create an employee table that reference departments via a foreign key. We also add other constraints. Primary key on employee ID. Not null constraints on first name and last name. Unique constraints on email. Check constraints to ensure age. Default constraint to provide default salary if none is supplied. Foreign key constraints linking department ID in employees to department ID in departments. Step 3. Insert sample data. With both tables create, let's insert some data. Note that the department ID in the employees table must match an existing ID in the departments table to satisfy the foreign key constraint. Step 4. Verify the data. Finally, let's confirm our data was inserted correctly.